So let's continue with the SQL Server questions. Today I'm going to explain how to import the data from the Excel spreadsheet. Importing data from Excel spreadsheet, why it is important and very useful, because sometimes, for example, let me explain one situation. The situation is like this. For example, we have a product list, and how many product lists? For example, check, you see I have the Excel sheet, and these are all products which is written in Excel, and I have about 13,000, even more than 13,000 products. So this spreadsheet, these all data, these all 13,000 products I need to export inside the SQL Server, and depending on that table I can make the queries, update on prices, or whatever I can do by using a queries. That's why the importing data is very important. Otherwise, for example, just imagine that you are opening the Excel and starting to write all these products manually. It will take a days, even more. So the easiest way is importing the data inside the SQL Server. So let's start to import. How we can do it? First, log into the SQL Server, then select the database which you like to import the data from the Excel. I am selecting, for example, Al-Hasab DB, and then I'm going directly to the tasks. In the tasks, I have the import data. So you see, welcome to SQL Server Import and Export Wizard. Just click next. Here you need to select just the Excel spreadsheet and go and find the Excel spreadsheet which is important. For example, you see I have the product Excel. Click OK. Make sure that you have selected the first row has a column names. It's very important. Why in my Excel sheet the first row is a column names, so you can identify it. And pay attention that now you have to choose the destination. Where is the destination? Destination is you have to select SQL Server native client 11. This one is directly connected to the SQL Server. So you see it is already selected Al-Hasab DB, add a Windows authentication, and now I can very easily continue with the button next. Now copy data from one or more tables in views. Click next, and you see here say that you have the products. And pay attention, destination there will be database owner and the product table. You can select just products. I just omitted the $sign, and now go to the edit mapping in order to check that if everything is correctly. You see code is nvarchar, product name is nvarchar, and all others are floating point, the data types. So the data types is also okay. Now we can go run immediately and then finish. Let's check. Pay attention. 13,578 rows are transferred to where? To the database. Click close, open, and pay attention, we have products table. And if we now write the query, select all from products and check, as you see all Excel spreadsheet is, let's open the Excel, quote, product name, on hand, purchase USD, sale USD, difference USD, and the USD columns, and the same in our SQL Server table. That's the quote, product name, on hand, purchase, sales, difference, and USD. All of them is important, and we have about 13,578 rows are what? Exported or imported into the SQL Server, as you see. As simple, very easy, without any kind of problem. Now you can select from this table, you can convert, you can by using this code you can join the tables, whatever you would like to do, and you can round these data types. It depends on you how you know your query statements. That's all. Thank you very much. Till next time. Bye.